Hello, dear students. Good morning to all of you. As we were discussing about small business, so dear students, in this term we have discussed about the problems which are going to be faced by small scale industries in the previous class. Now today we will start the discussion on government assistance to small industries and a small business unit. Dear students, government is also taking initiative. Government is knowing that until or unless the growth and development of the small scale industries, it is quite impossible to promote or to accelerate the growth and development of the nation. So for economic growth of nation, it is mandatory to promote the small industries and especially domestic industries. So dear students, today government of India has declared or promoted so many terms or created so many institutions for support and growth and development of the small business. Like if we are talking about Skill India or self-developed India, so these are the terms which are going to be used by the Indian government. Nowadays, the government has assisted too many institutions and units for support and growth and development of the small industries. So dear students, in this term, the first institution or first unit that is established by the government, that is institutional support. In this institutional support, first term is National Small Industry Corporation, NSIC. And one thing more, SIDBI, a Small Industries Development Bank of India. These are the institutions which are created by the government for growth and development of small scale industries. Dear students, NSIC was set up in NSIC was set up in 1955 to promote, add and foster the growth and development growth of small scale units. Here foster will not be there, that is faster. Faster growth and growth and development of small scale units in India. Dear students, the main constraint faced by the entrepreneurs is shortage of funds to purchase machinery and equipment. Non-availability of finance deprives many new entrepreneurs from availing opportunities. So dear students, as we know that today there are so many people who have their skills, who have their knowledge, who have their ideas regarding their business enterprises, but due to lack of finance, due to non-availability of finance or non-availability of raw material or scarcity of the raw material, these new entrepreneurs are not getting their existence in the society, and their ideas are going to be vanished within them. So for accelerating the growth and development of new ideas, new entrepreneurs in the market, the government of India has set up National Small Industries Corporation which is providing or which is removing the hindrance of lack of finance, lack of raw material or scarcity of raw material for new entrepreneurs, and providing the opportunities for them to establish a new small industries. It was basically, dear students, National Small Industries Corporation was established to cater to this need of entrepreneur. Now, if we are talking about the NSIC, we must learn about the functions of NSIC. So, dear students, the main function of NSIC is to it supplies important machines and raw material to small industries on easy hire purchase schemes. As we know that due to lack of technologies, due to lack of raw material, it is quite impossible to operate the business, to continue the business enterprises. So dear students, it supplies important machines and raw material to small industries on easy hire purchase schemes. Now the second term, that is, or the second main function of NSIC is that it export the products of small units. Dear students, NSIC export the products of small units. It means the small units which are the product which are produced by the small units, these products are going to be used for export business and for collecting the foreign currencies. So we can say that nowadays these institutions are also promoting a small business to export their material, export their goods and services to other country, or make it as the foreign trade also. Thereafter, it provides technology to small scale industries. As we have already discussed that NSIC provides technology to small scale industries. The next term, that is, it helps in upgradation of technology. Time to time, as we have discussed, the problem faced by the small scale industries, that the technologies or the techniques which they are using, they are very old. So NSIC helps to upgrade the technology of these small scale industries time to time. Whenever any changes required or whenever any changes take place in the technology, they upgrade the technology time to time. Now the next function of NSIC is it provides in upgradation of technology. It means if technologies are going to be changed, then they make it available. First term was it helps in upgradation of technology. It means how the technology is going to be upgraded. If the funds are required, they are ready to available the fund. And so many times it is seen they are also engaged, or they also make the technology available for the small scale industries too. Now dear students, the next function of NSIC is it provides various equipments on lease basis. Lease basis means on a rental basis. So many times it is quite impossible to purchase each and every equipment, plant and machinery by the business enterprise, because these equipments are very costly. So it is seen that so many times it makes it available on a lease basis or on hire purchase system. Next term, that is, it undertakes construction of industrial estate too. Dear students, it also creates, or it also construct or create the structure of industrial estate also time to time whenever it is required. Dear student, we will stop over here today. Tomorrow we will start the discussion of District Industry Center DIC. Till then, thank you.